mama. Ndine mama. You all are welcome. I greet you all, the women of Ezira Kingdom. Ugobeze, Bridget, thank you for honoring this invitation. We, the women of, the great women of Ezira Kingdom, we invited both of you to know how you are preparing for all this coming election, which your husbands both are contesting. And we also want to know what will be our fate if we all support anyone that the husband will win. What you are going to do to us, our benefits, the position you will give to us in this kingdom. And that is why we invited you both here, to hear from you people. So, I will sit down. Let's hear from both of you. Ugobeze, please talk to us.
Chair lady. My wonderful chair lady. Please, Anakupada Keba. Clap for my chair lady. Makabo Dirizi. Dine mama. Isofa. Dine mama. Isofa. The women of Ezira Kingdom. Mano mao. Chukuikayo. Well, the great women of Ezira Kingdom. I'm sure you all already know who I am. My name is Ugobeze Okurora, the wife of the next king of Ezira Kingdom. Can somebody help me to tell someone that is sitting down here to stop wasting her time? Because this is already a done deal. The battle is already won by my honorable husband. Therefore, there is no need sitting down here and wasting her miserable time. Of course, it is obvious that he has nothing to do with her time. Otherwise, she wouldn't have been here contesting and competing with me over what she can never get, even in her next world. Anyway, let me answer the question of our honorable chair lady. When my husband wins, which is already certain that he is going to win, the Igwe of this great community, I am going to make sure your pockets smile. Hey! Because I know that when your pocket is smiling, your life is smiling. Your family is smiling. Your business is smiling. Your job is smiling. And the next thing I am going to do, when my husband eventually becomes the Igwe of this great kingdom, I am going to make sure that we, the women, are no more marginalized. We are no more intimidated by our husbands. Those of you that your husbands are maltreating, I'll make sure it stops. I'll make sure you have a say. I'll make sure you have equal rights with the men. No more marginalization. No more intimidation. I am going to make it the women's war. Hey. My princess. Yes, Mom. My elegant princess. Yes, Mom. The next princess princess of this great community.
Yes, Mom.
Please, can you stand up majestically?
Okay, Mom.
And catwalk to my car. Bring that bag of money.
Mom.
And now come. Ndine mama. Ụmụ nwanyị na-eficha n'arụ, arụ chọrọ mficha. Onye dị ọgọ nwe nwanne, arụ chọrọ mficha. Ụmụ nwanyị na-enene n'anya, arụ chọrọ mficha. Onye dị ọgọ nwe nwanne, arụ chọrọ mficha. Ụmụ nwanyị na-eficha n'arụ, arụ chọrọ mficha. Onye dị ọgọ nwe nwanne, arụ chọrọ mficha. A na-ekwu ekwu.
Amen.
Asim a na-ekwu ekwu.
Amen.
My honorable chair lady. Ụmụnwaanyị ibe m. In that bag is the sum of 1.5 million naira cash. Yes. I want you all to share this money amongst yourselves. Smell it. Smell it.
Ndine. Iya de madam. Ugebeze wa. Ana ekwu ekwu. This is to show that she is really prepared.
Yes.
And whatsoever she said to us, she will do all. But before we go on, let's also hear from Bridget. Why, Oma? Eziwani. Nem, stand up. Let's hear from you.
Thank you very much, my cheerleader.
Biko, I have something to say.
Will you shut up? Sit down! Who are you to talk when I'm still here? Do you think we are in the same class? Or do you think this is a kindergarten class? Do you even think this is secondary school girls gathering? Sit down. Sit down, small girl. Who do you think you are? When did you stop wearing pampers? I know when you were still bathing and dancing naked outside. Who are you to talk when I'm still talking? Yes. Sit down. Yes, sit down. Small girl, sit down.
That is too much.
Chair lady, please, with all due respect, I'm sorry. I know I've gone against our rules and regulations in this meeting. Therefore, I am going to pay a fine of 500,000. Hey! Yes. Half a million. Bridget, or whatever your name is called, can only talk if you can present 50,000 naira. I challenge you. 50,000 naira, then you talk. If you cannot present 50,000 naira, then sit down or better still get out.
Ugobeze, please, with all due respect, the insult is too much.
Too much.
The insult is too much.
That is because she insulted my personality.
Ugobeze, with all due respect, do not forget that your husbands are contesting for the kingship of this kingdom.
Tell her. Tell her.
None of you have or has the right to insult each other. This is the presence of the women of this kingdom, the great women of this kingdom. Please, condole yourself. Until then, the women of Ezira Kingdom, am I speaking our minds?
Yes.
Ha! Ha! Go boyse. More thing.
I said, shut up. My wonderful women, I want to promise you that where this money came from, more are still there.
Hey!
I am going to rain you all with money. I'm going to bath you with money. I'm going to use money and sew clothes for you.
Hey!
Bridget!
Chifumba Malu, you are welcome to my domain. No. Thank you. You know, our Royal Stool election is at the corner, and there is no time. We get better go number one, so it's good we are here.
Well, it's more the reason I am here.
Okay.
Oh no, there is something I want you to do for me.
Really?
I want you to convince members of the cabinet, Ndishia Ezira. Tell them that I will not regret making me king. Convince them for me. As I'm talking to you, I'm not asking you for nothing. Oh no, I will make your pocket smile now.
Remember, Malu, you make my pocket smile. Oh. I'm waiting. I'm out here. I'm waiting.
What I have here is 2 million naira.
Remember, Malu. For me? Chifumba Malu. I'm going to go Check, Biko. Let me keep it this one.
No, I promise you I'll pull down this house. Oh yes, I've instructed my contractor. He is waiting. The moment I become aware, it is done.
Uncle, can I go? Jinaka Mfonanya. Chifumba Malu. What do you want me to do for you? What? Hostility done.
Convincing this share to make me king. Tell the indigenous to go to their villages. Convince the people. Once I become aware, they will not regret it.
Abuna.
You will not regret it.
Abuna.
That's all.
Finished? Huh? Is that what you're saying, small? Consider it done. With this one you have done. Listen, I will do exactly that. But I want you to help me one way. you will go round to our various cabinet members. Put smile on their faces as you put on mine. Because as an anti-attack on a long if this one job, this one no job. If you understand what? Put a smile on their face, finish, leave the work for me.
Leave that for me.
Okay?
First thing tomorrow morning, I will go round. I will visit each of them with 500,000 naira. I am ready to do more.
Mr. Wedero, I have heard you. I will do exactly that. Nanamo, on Nagomrogo, good day.
What is it? Why is the face like this? And how did the meeting with the women go?
Pascal, I have never been insulted the way Ugoboese insulted and humiliated me today. Just because her husband has money.
Ugoboese insulted you before the women today. What happened? What happened?
The chair lady asked us to stand up and talk to the women.
Okay.
To tell them how we are preparing for the forthcoming election. And what we are going to do if either of us become queen of Ezira Kingdom. I kept quiet. I sat down so that she can speak. With her wig, her front part that has covered her senses. She stood up and started bragging. Okonka. There is nothing Ugoboese did not promise these women today. She was talking and talking and talking. At the end of it, she gave them 1.5 million naira.
What? 1.5 million? That's a big money.
Hey.
So how? What happened? Why?
She finished though. I did not say anything. The chair lady asked me if I had anything to say. You see her air. Let me stand up in my majestical way and speak like the next queen to be. You understand? This woman shut me up. She even gave them 500,000 naira for me to shut up. That I should not talk.
And what did the chair lady and the women said about it?
Fizi, what will you do? If you see that kind of money, what will you do? They were singing, dancing. They were even singing with her name, praising her. Nam, there is something I did not say today. Poverty is a bad thing.
You see, that's why I ask you, let us quit this thing and manage ourselves. Because we don't have money to compete with anybody. But you said no, because you want to become the queen of Ezira Kingdom. See how you've been humiliated by that woman. Yeah? This is a shame.
It's a bread. No, because there's bread. We clean it here. There's bread. Shut up your mouth. Because it's your sense that I will clean you. You don't have common sense. That imbecile that was coming to ask me to marry him, I would have married him because he has more sense than you do. Look at you, a grown-up man. Look at what you are saying. So you are now asking me to back down after everything I have put into this campaign. You are even creating your... Now put your shoulder down. It's only rich men that raise their shoulder up. Carry your shoulder up now. I told you not to do so. You'll not be humiliated.
I know. At least I was able to.
You are a goat.
I was able to marry you.
You married me.
And
you married me or I married
and you agreed.
You married me or I married
Anyway, if this thing continues like this, we have no option. Because if you don't have money, your supporters will face your opponents where they are getting something. I've told you this thing before.
Nam, the money will come.
Eh?
Wait for this queen. Queen now! If I don't become the queen of Ezira Kingdom, Nam, I will die, you will die. Whether you like it or not. Yeah, carry you, they go. Let them better carry you, because you don't have life again. In your next life, just pray you come back as a stone or grass. Because you don't have use. Nonsense. Let me see how I'll not become the queen of this. The next thing I will do to you is to knock your destiny out of you. You don't have shame.
No! Please, no. No! Not again. Not again. Oh God. These terrible dreams. Oh, this nightmare. God help me. Help me, God. What do I do? Oh, Jesus, help me. Help me. Help me. Help Chibes, my son. Oh, God, please. Direct my steps, I pray you, please. Please direct me on what to do. I'm so confused. I'm so scared.
Good morning. Okay.
No, I didn't.
Why? What happened? What happened? Mom, you're not saying anything. What happened? What's the problem?
I had a terrible dream. I don't even know how to explain it.
You had a terrible dream and you don't know how to explain it. Just explain it the way you saw it, I will understand.
Come on, son. There's something about you. Tell me. There was... Forget it.
Mom, there was... Forget it. I don't understand the there was and the forget it. What's happening? Are you hiding anything from me? Or is there something you don't want me to know?
Don't worry. I'll be fine. I'm okay.
No, Mom, you can't say you'll be fine. You are okay. Obviously, you are not. You know you're not okay. You're telling me you'll be fine. You are okay. You're not. What's this dream all about? You keep having dreams and you don't know how to explain them. What is happening? What's going on? Mom, what's happening?
I told you, Chibeze, don't worry. I'll be fine.
No, you can't tell me not to worry. You'll be fine. Obviously, you're not fine. How can you be fine when you're not fine? I shouldn't worry when... Come on, Mom, what's happening? You keep having dreams that you don't know how to explain them. What is going on? Mom, what is happening?
It's okay.
It's okay. Obviously, you don't want to tell me. So it's okay. You'll be fine. With this countenance.
Wrong with you? Why are you on that phone covering yourself with a wrapper? What is it?
Josephine, thank God you're here. Please sit down.
Talk to me.
Hello.
I am sitting. Don't worry.
Don't fall.
Okay.
Josephine, thank God you're here.
What is it?
I don't know what is wrong with me. I am not getting myself. Since last night till now, I have been feeling like this. I did not even know I would wake up. I will sleep and wake up alive. I don't know. I'm not getting myself. I don't know what is wrong with me. Oh, hey.
What is this? Not... Oh. Have you taken any drugs?
Yes. I've taken 2 tablets of paracetamol.
Just that?
Yes. Just that. That is the only thing we have in this house. That is why I took it. Josephine, I'm not getting myself. I don't know what is wrong with me.
You'll be fine. Calm down, okay?
Please, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to go to the chemist. I want you to tell them. I want you to tell them how I'm feeling. So they will make drugs for you to come and give me. Please. Please, I beg you. Hey.
But I don't think going to chemist is a good idea. It's not a good idea, my friend. I don't even know what I'll tell them that is wrong with you. I don't know. I think going to the lab to run a test is the best. Yes, we should go to lab.
Hey, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, I think it's better.
Okay. So, can we go now?
Yes, I'm coming, eh? Let me lock the door, I'm coming.
Careful.
Josephine, I am finished. Oh, I am finished. Eh? Look at what I'm putting myself into. I am finished because if my mother's come back and sees me like this, she will kill me. She will kill me. I don't know what to do.
Onny, Ibu Mogo. In fact, you are the real Mogo here. I don't understand. Big girl like you. Huh? In fact, I am totally disappointed at you. Oh! I am ashamed of you, in fact. I don't understand. How can you allow that person to get you pregnant in the first place? How?
Josephine, please, I beg you. I beg you, you're my friend. This is not the time for you to put blames on me. This is not the time for you to blame me. I beg you, please. I need your help. I want you to help me before my mom's come back, please. If my mother goes and come back and sees me like this, and she will kill me. I am dead. Please, you just need to help me become my friend. Please, I beg you.
I'm here for you. That's okay.
I want him, and he said nothing will happen. Now look at the outcome. Just me, look at me. Hey.
Come here. It's okay. Stop crying. Wipe your tears, okay? How can you say you want him? You're not a baby. Oh my God.
I am finished.
It's okay. By the way, who is responsible? Talk to me. Who is responsible? Look into my eyes.
Who is he? Who got you pregnant? Talk to me. Who is he?
Nine, Ndewo.
Ndewo. You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, Nine.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
But I don't recognize your face. Oh. Who are your parents?
Nine, my name is Chika. I am Mukwama's daughter.
Oh, I now remember. Chika, our daughter. How is your mother?
She's fine.
I heard she went for donating some more. Is she back?
No, she's not back.
This one you came. I hope there's no problem.
I came to see Basil.
Basil?
Yes.
Basil, my tenant, my teacher.
Yes.
Okay, Basil traveled since last week Wednesday.
Travel last week Wednesday.
Mm.
But he did not tell me. Okay, Nai, please. Did he tell you when he will be back?
No, he did not tell me. I hope there's no problem. This one you're looking so worried. When so?
No, Nai, there's no problem. Just that he collected my book from me. And I really need the book right now. Like right now.
Okay, in that case, you have to come back next week. I guess he might come back here. Mm.
Okay, Nai. I should be on my way, thank you.
Okay. You see, come on. Hmm?
That's it.
Take care. Hmm? Let's see, Panya.
Thank you.
If I can, say hi to your mother, okay?
Is that not Chika, my friend's daughter? Look at the way she just passed me without greeting me. Chika! Come back here.
Mama.
What is your problem?
Good day, ma.
Good day. Are you sure you are okay? Your body is hot. And you don't look happy.
No, Mama, I'm okay.
You are okay?
I'm just having headache.
No, my daughter, you are not okay. Have you taken any drugs?
Yes, it's just headache.
Just headache.
I'm fine, Mama.
You are not fine. Please, you need drugs. Then when you get home, make sure you take proper rest.
No, Mama, I'm okay.
You are okay?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Oh, yeah, now. Take care, eh?
Mama, bye-bye.
Oh, bye. Yeah.
So, tell me, how did it go?
And he accepted the pregnancy? Oh, no. I did not meet him. He has traveled. What kind of a bad luck is this? This is bad luck. I don't like this.
So, where did he travel to?
I don't know. I don't know where he traveled to. I went to their compound and I met his landlord, Mazu Dekwe. He told me that Basi has traveled since last week Wednesday. He did not tell me. Hey! I don't even know when he's coming back. Hey! Hey, this is not fair. This is not fair. This is not fair. This is not good. This is not good, God. Why me?
What a shattered dream. What a shattered dream.
Hey! Josephine, please. Josephine, please. My mother will give me.
Did you tell him anything?
I didn't. I didn't.
You sure?
How do I tell him so cheating? How do I start? I did not say anything.
You didn't tell him anything.
So you want to sit like this and wait for your mommy to come back and meet you like this? Hey. Is that what you want? Josephine, if my mother comes back and see me like this, I am finished. I am dead. What do I do? Help me, my dear friend, please. I don't need my mother to come and meet me like this, so she will kill me. Oh. She will kill me. Oh, this is not fair, Basi. This is not fair. This is not good. Oh. Hey, God will judge everybody. Hey, Biko, my friend, what do I do? I am finished. What do I do, Biko? Hey, Biko, Yerebaka.
Auntie, why are you looking at me like that now?
So, Chika, where are you coming from?
I went somewhere, Auntie.
You went somewhere. And what is that in your hand?
I went to the chemist to get drugs for my headache.
You went to the chemist. Chika, you are not all right. Huh? What is wrong with you?
Auntie, I'm fine.
Just tell me if you have any problem. Tell me.
No, I'm fine. Nothing is wrong with
Okay,
me.
you went to... Okay, let me have the drug.
Let me have it.
Auntie, it's for my headache.
Your headache. Let me have it.
Auntie.
I thought you said there is nothing wrong with you. So how come you went to go and buy drugs?
It's just headache.
Let me... Chinkeme. Chika. Is this the drug you went to the chemist to buy? Hey! Chika.
Auntie, say...
Get it.
Auntie,
Chika. Oh, yeah. Come with me.
Auntie.
Chika, follow me.
Hey. Auntie.
Do you still remember this
It's Ozioma's grave.
Thank God, oh. Thank God you know it's Ozoma's grave. And you say you bought these drugs for your headache?
Yes, Auntie.
Hey. This is the same drugs that Ozoma, my daughter, took that landed her into this grave. This is an abortion pill, Chika. So, Chika, you're pregnant.
Hey.
And you want to kill yourself. And your mother too.
No.
Do you know that if anything happens to you, that your mother can't take it?
Yes. Auntie, please forgive me. Forgive me, it was a mistake. Please forgive me, it was a mistake.
It was a mistake and you want to end up the same way Ozoma, my daughter, ended up.
No.
How could you do this to yourself? What a shame. You know what? I'm going to keep this drug until your mother comes back from Omugo. And I will show her.
Hey, Auntie Biko, Auntie please, don't show my mother the drugs. Please don't tell my mother. Please, I beg you. Auntie, please.
Chika, I will only do that on one condition. That you promise me that you are not going to harm this innocent baby in your womb. That's all.
Auntie, I promise you. I promise you.
And who even got you pregnant, sir?
Hey, Ibo.
Am I not talking to somebody?
Hey, Auntie Biko, no. Forgive me. Auntie Biko, forgive me.
Hey.
Please don't tell my mother. Auntie, please. Auntie, please, I beg you.
Oh no, I've come to see you. You know you're my best friend. Yeah, and I know what you can do. Oh no, I know that you're my father's best friend. And before he died, I remember that two of you discussed something in my presence. Oh no, I've come to see you based on the campaign I am going for. Oh no, I remember that my father told you to support his son, me, Pascal, in everything I will be doing. I remember that he asked you to only support me and push me forward and help me. Oh no, that is why I've come to see you based on this campaign that is going on. So you support me and also help me talk to the other cabinets to support me to win this. You know, if I win, many things will change. No. So when I remember that you're my father's friend, I was convinced that once I've come to see you, that things will change. So, oh no, when I remembered that you have the power and the authority to make me win this, I was so happy. And the courage that I got from my wife, she said, you must win with money or no money. Yes. Oh no, so I've come to see you to see how we're going to do this. No, I rejected this before. But because of the situation of things, I decided to say, okay, let me go for it. Because I remember that you're my father's friend, the best friend for that matter. So that is why I've come here to see you.
Pascal, my son.
Oh no.
You are welcome. Thank you. I heard you very well, very vividly. And I remember vividly the discussion I had with your late father of blessed memory.
Thank God.
May his soul rest in peace.
Amen.
A very good man. My son, what we are talking about is the egoship of Ezra Kingdom. Aborago. It's not something I'll go from house to house and begin to beg people this and that. It goes with something. If I put a beer.
Okay, oh no, so what exactly are you talking about?
Are you sure you are ready for this contest? Something you know, na my mouth why he has the father they wear trousers.
I understand what you're trying to say. I understand what you're trying to say. Before coming here, I was prepared.
Okay.
As I'm talking to you now, I am fully prepared.
Okay.
Yes, and that is why I've come with
I'm waiting.
This is the sum of 20,000 naira. Yes, I say let me come and see you with this. And I'm going to see all the cabinet members, one after the other in their different places, with the sum of 10,000 naira each.
Pascal.
Oh no.
Get it here. What is this?
20,000 naira the hot.
Oh, million. Ah! I don't matter. Oh, Pascal, you have come to insult me.
No, can I insult you?
You mean you left your house to come to solicit for my support with the sum of 20,000 naira for the Igwe stool of Ezra Kingdom? Your opponent, Chief Mamalo, came here with 2 million naira cash and promised to give each and every one of our cabinet members 500,000 naira. And you are here bringing this thing around. This is you want to cost me or you have already cost me? What is this? Do I look like a hungry or no?
No.
This year, shut up! Can you buy one tire of my motor? What is this? And you want me to help you? That your father was... your father was a very good man.
It's not an insult. Oh, give us support to him. I know you can do it for me as my father's friend.
You are not ready for this contest.
No. I know you can do it for me, please. I don't know. You're my father's friend.
Can I ask you? An Igbo adage says, do you live where they chain also? Where they give chieftaincy title, as I think. Then you live and go back and have you ever seen that in Igbo land? I should reject 2 million naira. Stop insulting me. You pass go me, you have annoyed me.
No, I thought you're my father's best friend. That you're going to help. No, I don't want that.
I'm supposed to go eat apple. Yeah, double. Listen to me and listen very well. I can see that you are not ready for this contest. How can your people bring somebody like you to contest the Igwe from Amoko? They did not see other people. On our way, you got for Baba Mount Igwe with the 20,000. Hey! Oh no, we for quite here to get out of my place before I lose my temper here. Pick it and go. You're insulting me. This young men of nowadays. 20,000. Is that money? When I made the go before, I have not seen money.
I thought you were my father's friend.
This one wants to destroy my head. Hey God, though.
This one like it.
Jen, Kiri, see who is coming.
Is that not Jovita?
No, she's the one.
And what's the meaning of that thing she's wearing? Is she a princess? And she even had maidens following her around.
Maybe because her father, Chief Mbamalo, is contesting for the Igwe-ship of Ezira Kingdom. That's why she's carrying herself like a princess.
Yes, no.
When she's not even sure if her father will win it or not.
Hey.
What do you think? What do you people think? The father is already the winner now.
Yeah.
He's the millionaire. At least that small Pascal cannot compete with him. Because he doesn't have what it takes to buy the people's vote and support. So what do people think?
I even heard that he has been going around paying people millions of naira to vote for him.
Eh?
Even the mother herself, that one, she has already bought all the women of this community. Well, she's also parading herself like the Lolo when they're not even sure that this man will win the Igwe-ship.
Hey. Just like her daughter. Like mother, like daughter. Eh? And my problem with that girl is that girl is so full of herself. And so arrogant. Okay, look at what she just did. She didn't even notice herself.
At least me, I'm happy for her. Very soon, the community will start addressing her as princess. Me, I'm happy. I just wish I'm in her shoes. Yes, now.
Who is this? This girl. You wish you are in her shoes.
Yes, now.
You wish. Don't worry. Very soon, not only in her shoes, you will be in her eyes, her nose, and her mouth.
Yes, now.
She has not. No, don't worry. You will soon be here. Don't worry. You got it after very soon.
So you don't like good things?
Jen, let's get out from here.
That is why Agnes, you're my very good friend. I saw the way you reacted that day when Ogobreza insulted me at the meeting. I knew you were not happy. All I'm asking is your support. You people should support my husband. Talk to the women of this kingdom to give my husband the full support to become the king of this kingdom. And I, the queen. If I become the queen of this kingdom, how do we find how Ogobreza was talking? Okonana. I will do everything to support the women. I will surprise you all. Just do this. If I sit on that throne as the queen of this kingdom, hey, you people will enjoy me. Biko.
Okay. See, Bridget, I'm worried. Telling the women of this community to support you and your husband is not an issue. But the problem here is that Ugobeze has bought all of them with money. None of them will listen to me without giving them enough money. My dear, I am on your side, but I don't trust others. I suggest you and your husband should run around and look for money. I'm afraid, if not, your husband might lose the seat. Even you might also lose your own seat. Yes.
I'll see you later.
Oh? You heard me. Oh, do something. Fast, oh. Very fast.
My princess, since morning we have been walking around the whole village. Are you not tired? Me, I'm tired too.
Like, are you mad? No, answer me. Are you mad? Is there anything wrong with you? Like, is this how you're going to be working for me when I finally become the princess of this kingdom?
Until then, but for now, you are not yet a princess. If you have, are
you stupid? Don't you know, as people are seeing her now, they will start regarding her as their princess. What is wrong with you? Are you mad?
Since morning we have been walking around this village. Nobody has even greeted you as a princess. Can't you get it?
Shut up. Be careful. Shut your mouth. Azuka, shut that thing you come out. Shut up.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to upset you.
Both of you, come back here. How dare you walk? Did you just answer me? What gave you the impetus? Is it because my father, my rich father, is contesting with your wretched and stupid father? You not think we are in the same class?
Hey, God. What did she say? Richard. Richard. She called herself the princess. My brother, Biko, is this one a princess? No, is she a princess?
Me, I don't know for you people, but all I know is she is Jovita.
Thank you. Did you just refer to me like that? Like, did you just talk back at me? Now both of you should go down on your knees. Kneel down before I lose my temper.
Hey.
You said I said kneel down.
Kneel down.
Isigini, we should kneel down.
On our knees. You are a fool.
Yes.
You think because your father has money, you cannot insult people anyhow, eh?
Rubbish.
Please don't kill yourself. Oh.
You heard him.
See, you cannot do anything.
Be boiling anyhow.
You cannot do anything.
Are you both talking to me? Are you referring to me?
Is there
Don't mind me. Say that no one.
This is exactly what I was talking about. Please, we should just go home before another group of children insult us.
Will you shut up?
Please,
shut up!
Kata. Stupid girl. Listen, sorry. I'm behind you. Don't mind them. They are jealous of you. They're jealous of you. Even that stupid maid. Open she.
Wow. Really? Here comes the next queen of Ezira Kingdom. You are a very stupid woman. So you splashed water on me and you still have the guts to make mockery of your choir? Eh? You can't even say sorry. Will you shut up? Shut up. Shut up, you little brat. How dare you? How dare you talk back at me? Who are you? I mean, when did you stop wearing pampers? Huh? Bridget, when did you stop wearing pampers? Can you imagine? You should be thanking God my driver was kind enough not to have knocked you down with this my machine. It was just a splashing of water. You should be thanking God. already be thanking me because I'm so sure you've not visited or water has not touched this your miserable body for the past 3 to 4 months, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, that's by the way. Well, I have a piece of advice for you. Little girl, send this message to your husband. I'm wondering, why do you choose to rather gather the little changes your husband is suffering, struggling to gather to give to you, to take care of your miserable family, rather than coming to compete with my millionaire husband? You know what? Don't bother, because you have lost already. For daring to compete with my husband, you are already a failure. Therefore, little girl, if you, well, maybe you really desire to be in the royal family. I'm a very nice woman, as you have always known me. Therefore, I want to make a promise to you. Don't worry, I'll soon become the next queen of Izira kingdom. And I'll be so kind enough, out of my benevolence, employ you as one of my maidens. Yeah. So, you know what? Take this advice to your husband, because they say a word is enough for the wise. Why did I even stand here to talk to you, little girl? It's like, try it. Try it. And I will make sure that you, your husband, your children, even your generation unborn, rot in jail. Rubbish.
Good. Hi!
Pastor,
Hello.
you're back.
Yes, I'm back.
Now you scared me. I have been calling you, you're not taking your calls. You did not even call me, you didn't reach me. I've been so worried. What happened? How did it go?
Bridget, please just allow me. Just leave me alone. Let me be. Okay? I'm not in the mood to say anything now. You've actually gotten what you wanted.
Yeah. Eh? What has clapping got to do with this one? I just came here to ask you how your journey went, if everything went fine, and you're getting angry. What did I do wrong? Jimmy! Mama! You will tell me what is going on.